So what's changed in the last 5 years is, in my opinion, that this has significantly revolutionized how we can test, detect, and evaluate um, ovulation and ovulation quality. Now, before you had to, for example, go to the doctor and get your progesterone level checked. And if it's over a certain threshold, um, people could have confirmed ovulation for you. The problem I have with that is that it's simply one piece of information in time. And again, remember when I talked to you guys that everything is secreted in a pulsatile fashion. And so progesterone is secreted from the ovary in response to LH, again, in a pulsatile fashion. So your progesterone can be 5 at time 0 and 25, 45 minutes later. So just measuring one progesterone level, to me, can only tell you one thing, whether or not you've ovulated. It doesn't necessarily tell you anything else in terms of the quality of your ovulation, the corpus luteum quality, and the luteal phase. And so what these new home tests have provided for us is the ability to determine essentially the quality of the luteal phase in addition to confirming your ovulation. And it also allows you to not have to leave your home to get the information you need, which in my opinion is very, very beneficial.